going to Disney World. Woo! Right now we are at the Beach Club Villa, right? Is that what it's called?
Yeah, Beach and Yacht Club.
And we're about to get our magic bands. We can't check in until later.
Until 3.
So when we do check in,
I'll show you the room.
Yes.
Right now we're gonna park our car, leave our luggage, and go over to Epcot until we can check into our room.
I'm so excited.
Boardwalk like runs up and down to different hotels, and the boat comes and drops you off. It takes you to the park. I think it takes you to Epcot.
We're heading to the boardwalk. We'll show you the pirate boat over there and the water over here. So we got super lucky because there was an open room on the first floor and they just let us check in now so we don't have to wait.
Wow.
It's so nice in here, isn't it?
It is.
Let's check it out. What's the game plan?
Epcot, lunch,
This is the game
test
plan.
track, Soarin', hopefully, and then Magic Kingdom.
We're here! Woo! Right now we're going to Italy to eat lunch and we have some time, so we're gonna see if we could stop at a ride along the way.
I was reading online that it might actually be Magic Kingdom, but wherever the colonial land is, there's no bathrooms in there because they wanted to make it lifelike to like the time.
Scale of 1 to 10, how good was that dinner?
11.
Ooh. Kenny, 1 to 10 rating?
I don't want to start off with a 10 on our first meal, so
That's bold.
I'll give it an 8.9. That way there's room for growth.
You could
Okay.
retroactively raise it too.
What about you, Rye?
Yeah, I'm okay with that score. 8.9 is good. I'll throw it an extra, the good
point
deal. So
one.
I'll give it 9. I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
We're going on test track.
It's a 65-minute wait to get on test track. We're getting closer. So I think this ride will wake me up.
Yes. It's the fastest ride in the park.
Do you
It
know?
goes 60 point something miles per hour.
Honestly, that's not that fast though. Like I've definitely gone 90 miles per hour in my car.
Which one do you want to do? This one?
Yeah.
Create the shape of your vehicle by drawing a line from 1 to 2.
Okay. Quick. Wait, make it a curve.
With the curve?
Yeah. We want
Touch
it.
optimize to refine your vehicle.
Yeah, I want it to have a curve.
Alright, so you do it. Go ahead.
Okay.
No, too late.
Hey.
Alright, sculpt.
No, the other way. In.
This one?
Yeah, move this way. No. Let's do that like that. And that. Now it looks like a unicorn car.
Blank.
Do long, yeah.
No, it's gonna be too slow. That. Width.
Make it skinny.
Size my burner. I wanna go fast.
Yes. How do we make it? Ooh, wait. You want to do like light blue or dark blue or purple?
We can do purple.
Okay, I like
Any
this
graphics?
color. Yeah.
No flames.
No. No graphics. I don't like the graphics.
Move graphic.
That's kind of cool.
Wheels.
Big ones.
No.
No?
Those.
You like those?
Yeah.
Okay.
How about those? Oh wait, we can change the size of the wheels. You want any accessories?
Maybe. Ooh, wait. Which one? Not that one. Do you like that one?
Sure. If you want it.
I don't know. I'm indecisive.
We only have 55 seconds.
Oh my god. Okay, this one.
Okay.
This one, we picked it. Do you guys like our car?
Probably not. It looks
Why?
ridiculous.
I want to drive that around. It does kind of
Hell
look
yeah.
ridiculous.
Alright. Let's just
It's done.
press your thing again.
Ready? My hair after the ride. So where are we going now?
Magic Kingdom.
To do what?
Pirates of the Caribbean.
I've never been on that ride.
And the Haunted Mansion.
I have been on the Haunted Mansion, and I remember the part when you see the ghost in the mirror, like sitting on your lap in your car. I just started hysterically crying because I thought I was gonna get possessed, like as a child.
You do get possessed.
I am still possessed.
The castle, there's Cinderella's suite. It's not open to the public, but if you're, I forget like how you can stay there. I think you have to be related to Walt Disney or something special. You can stay up there, but it's like, it's unbelievable. Have you ever seen the documentary on it?
No.
It's insane. It's like
There's a
crazy.
documentary on it.
Yeah.
We're about to go on Pirates of the Caribbean, and I've never been on this ride, so I'm excited.
Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum, and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow.
You've been on this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All of the tombstones leading up to the ride say funny things, so make sure you read them.
Okay.
And be on the lookout for happy haunts.
Ooh. On the Haunted Mansion ride, we got off of Pirates of the Caribbean. Megan, how'd you like that ride?
It's like my favorite ride here in Disney. It's one of my
really?
favorites. I love it.
It's really cool.
I feel like that might have changed since they came out with Expedition Everest and Space Mountain. I just hadn't been on that until recently, but Pirates is a classic.
That was the first time I ever went on the Pirates ride, and I thought it was really cute and like creative with the characters. Okay, so we just got off the Haunted Mansion and it was really fun, but now I can see why as a 6-year-old I was absolutely traumatized after that ride. At the end of the ride, they tell you, now lift up your seats, step to the left, and a ghost is gonna follow you home. I don't want a ghost following me home. That's scary. Okay, also, Ryan told me something really interesting on the ride, so here he is.
Okay, so there was a family who had, there was like their family member that died. Their favorite ride was Haunted Mansion. So they had their ashes because they were cremated and they sprinkled them all over the ride. So there's actually human remains in the Haunted Mansion.
That's really cool. I wonder if it's like actually haunted now, if there's...
I hope so.
Yeah, me too.
That'd be cool.
Somebody farted on the ride. I'm really scared. How does it know
Maybe there's a
my
sensor.
name?